Oh shit. Hey, mira policía ahí. No fight it, motherfucker. Alright, no, be nice, eh? Nice, motherfucker, right? Fucking.
A terrifying road rage incident caught on dashcam video in Agoura Hills. A victim, who only wants to be identified as Nick, was driving northbound on the 101 freeway at around 5 o'clock yesterday evening, and that's when he noticed the driver of a 2018 Chevy Camaro tailgating someone on the fast lane. Well, a few moments later, that same driver cut him off and then slammed on the brakes. Nick says that he hadn't done anything except glance over at the driver to make sure he wasn't.
Where's Chili?